Today, let's make this super cute bear in a bowl. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we're going to start off with making sticky rice. Now sticky rice can be made in a rice cooker like I've got here on the stovetop, or if you're fancy you can steam it, but I wanted to go the easy route. So this recipe, I'm doing 2 cups of a glutinous sticky rice, 2.5 cups water, and then letting it set for 4 hours. That's important to make sure that it gets all that good starch out. Give it a good stir and then put in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and then just cook it like you normally would. Once it's done, let it sit for a few minutes, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. I let mine set for quite a while because I was busy, but then I made this curry. You can make any curry you want. I went the easy way because I have never personally made curry, and I added some chicken, some celery, and carrots, simmered it up according to directions. And then this step you probably want to do ahead of time. I've got some nori, which is dried seaweed, like the stuff that you get on sushi, and just cutting it into the various little pieces that you want. This is definitely better ahead of time so you're not rushed, and you can make a whole bunch of them if you want to do a whole bunch of them, if you're not just going to do one special little meal. Here's just a little idea of freehanding the face, and then I put it all together. So putting the sticky rice together, I forgot how sticky it is to your hands. So make sure that you have some water to keep your hands wet so it doesn't stick so much, and just compress it into the appropriate shapes. I put it in the bowl and then I took it out to add back on top. I just put it in there to kind of make sure that they were proportionate. Maybe not the best, but I was in a bit of a hurry for this curry. Sorry, that was cheesy. But we're gonna take it out, like I said, add in the delicious curry, and then add in the cute appendages for the bear bath in a bowl in curry. The pieces, I dip them into water to make them stick to the rice better. And then, honestly, it is bon appetit. It is tasty, a little sad to get it cutting into your new little friend. But you know you do that with Teddy Grahams and all the other gummy bears. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I appreciate your following me here on YouTube. I am also on Facebook. Might be watching this there. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time.